In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an AI agent in Genspark. By the end, you'll know exactly how to go from a blank screen to a working agent you can chat with and put to work without writing a single line of code. Start by heading to genspark.ai. Log into your existing account or create a new one if you're just getting started. The platform makes this part straightforward, and once you're in, you'll land on the main dashboard where all your tools live. Before you build, take a moment to confirm your plan or access level. Some features and usage depend on your subscription or available credits, so it's helpful to know what's included. If anything seems limited, checking your plan details now can save you troubleshooting later. On the dashboard, look for the section labeled Create Agent or Custom Super Agent. This is the launch point for building. Click into it to open the setup screen where you'll describe what you want your agent to do. Now write a clear prompt that explains your agent's purpose. Think of it like a job description. For example, you might say, create an agent that drafts blog posts based on keywords, or an agent that summarizes long documents and extracts action items. Be specific about inputs and outputs, such as where the content comes from and how you want results delivered. Include helpful details like tone, length, or formatting if those matter to you. The best part is that Genspark supports no-code agent creation, so natural language is all you need. When your prompt looks good, submit it and let Genspark build the agent. Behind the scenes, the system selects models and assembles the logic and workflows required to perform the tasks you described. This usually takes just a few minutes, so you won't be waiting long. Once the agent is ready, it's time to test. Start a conversation with it inside Genspark, or run a few sample tasks related to your prompt. Compare the results to your expectations. If it's close but not perfect, refine the wording of your prompt and try again. Small tweaks, like clarifying the desired style, the level of detail, or the exact steps, can make a big difference. If needed, you can recreate the agent with a sharper description. As you test, avoid entering private or sensitive information and focus on representative examples that reveal whether the agent understands the task. That's it. Log in, confirm your access, open the custom Super Agent Builder, describe your agent clearly, let Genspark generate it, and test until it feels right. You're ready to build your first AI agent in minutes.